Just one little thing I recommend in the settings, this has nothing to do with putting PlanGird on the panel, but go to settings, go to device, go to display, and see power save mode, switch it to off. It just prevents the panel from going to sleep when you really don't want it to go to sleep. So in order to allow the panel to download apps, we've got to do this thing where we, on the remote control, press settings, up, up, down, down, return. That brings up this menu here. Press Android setting, unknown sources, turn it to on, confirm, back, exit. Now go to the browser and go to apkpure.com. apkpure.com. When you're in here, search for PlanGird. Now, we're looking for this specific thing. We're looking for PlanGird Build Field App, not just PlanGird. Just press that. That's just an ad. Get rid of that. Okay, it comes up with this.
Okay.
Download the APK.
Yep.
Just press that.
Yep.
And see, it says starting download. When it's done, a little screen will pop up just briefly and say download success, and that's what you're looking for. Otherwise, there really is no way of knowing other than just you can go and have a cup of tea or something, but it shouldn't take too long. Download success. And that'll just stay like that, so just ignore that. Go to your home screen again, over here, home. Bring this up and go to AMS files and go to
just one of those.
Internal, go to download, and there it is there. Just press it and down here press install. So when that's done, you can open it from there, but I just want to show you that when you now go back to your home screen and go into your apps, you'll see it's there.
Yeah.
So we press that,
Okay, which one he wants?
sign in with the account that you have. I've just got a demo account that will give me 30 days. Yep, so here we are. So you'd have your projects up there.
Yep. Okay.
And we can open up a sheet here.
Okay. Yep, I will start on that. Yep, I'll start on that.
And I've already been doing some scribbling on this. You can zoom in with two fingers like that, even just two fingers like that. Move it around with one finger. You've got all your different drawing tools and stuff like that. And you move between the sheets. There's another sheet there, another sheet there. Zoom in, zoom out, and it seems to be working okay. The only thing is when I press the ruler, it says in order to use the measurement tool on your mobile device, you need to calibrate the sheet on a desktop device first. Otherwise, it seems like each of the pieces of functionality work okay. So I would encourage you to give it a go.